Welcome tech lovers, Ibrar here. Today I am going to give you an update on upcoming DevOps video topic of this channel. Let's see what I cover in this year. As you can see here, I added one disclaimer. This channel focused in production grade open source open source DevOps tools and technologies. And here you can see there will be no theory. Here will be only action, as channel name is DevOps in Action. I will focus more on DevOps, CI/CD, IAC, Kubernetes, observability, and AWS cloud. I added one note here. You will always get a advanced topic in DevOps which is not available in other channels or in precise way. For example, there was no complete video of Nginx Proxy Manager on YouTube. I have created a video playlist on it. You can see here. Nginx Proxy Manager 0 to Hero series available here on my channel, and you can contact me. You can join me any social media platform like LinkedIn, and join Telegram, and I'm available on the GitHub also. Also, you can see my task on Docker Hub as well. There are another videos available here, so you can check out these things. It is very useful. For Linux, I already done help command. I think you must see this one because this is very important for Linux perspective, even for DevOps perspective. Okay, dot files I added, but this is the part 1, and the next part will come later on. And I will add one video to prepare Dev QA UAT production server for home lab. Okay, and I want to add some more shell scripting here. I have already added on my GitHub, but I will add it in future. Also, I cover Linux advanced command used by me in production. Also, for Linux, base profile is most important, so I will cover these things. Okay, for DNS, I'm not going to explain what this kind of tools is, because if I explain these things, video is lengthy. That's the reason I'm not explaining here. Okay, just I'm going to show you what I cover in this year. Okay, I already added. MDNS I will see in this year. Nginx Proxy Manager already done, and I will cover this one also. Nginx and all vhost as well. Homer is a dashboard. Okay, so this is required for us because once we deploy all the services, in that case we need this will help us to use services in one click, in single click. Okay, password manager is also required. I'm using KeePassXC, but you can use Bitwarden or VaultWarden, doesn't matter. Okay, I will provide a demo how to deploy, how to use it, so don't worry about that. Virtualization, I'm using Proxmox, and I will make a video on it, and Vagrant with VirtualBox. This will help in Kubernetes and other things. For Git, I am using GitLab, so I will show you the installation process, upgrade process, and use it, and GitLab CI. Okay, for CI/CD I will cover. Make sure this will be advanced topic. Okay, and Jenkins, here I will cover installation, configuration, upgrade, and Jenkins complete beginner to advanced topic. Okay, GitHub action, I will cover this one. Argo cd, flux cd, these are GitOps tools. And use monitoring. In monitoring, basically what happening here, JBix is only for metrics. So someone is using JBix where they are not using advanced application. That's the reason JBix is a good fit for them. But if you are using advanced application, that in that case you must use Prometheus, Grafana, Loki. Okay, these observability tool, it will provide metrics, logs and traces. Uptime Kuma, this is basic application which provide you your running services. Once it down, it will immediately trigger an action, and you will get a notification. For containers, I added a LXC Docker, but there are multiple containers type, so I will maybe cover in this year or next year. Okay, Docker app already added in my YouTube channel. Ansible Playground Docker, this is very important for Ansible lovers. FTP server, you can deploy FTP server within 10 seconds. That is very good application. SFTP server, similar here, within 60 seconds you can deploy SFTP server on your production. And Ubuntu SSH enabled, I will cover this one in this year. Nginx demo already done, coming soon already done, under maintenance already done. Okay, and for Docker file, I will show you how to create Docker file for HTML, how you can write Docker file, PHP project, Node WebSocket, Python, Laravel. I think that is enough. In this Docker file, you can understand how you can create Docker file and how you can use for other language as well. Okay, I will explain Docker Advanced Compose. Basically, Docker Compose is most important things for Docker world. So I will cover from beginner to advanced. Okay, and once explained this one, and after that I will show you how to deploy some application using Docker Compose. So here I added some Docker Compose related project. Docker repository, I will deploy Jenkins, Grafana, Telegram, MySQL, Postgres, Redis, RabbitMQ, Uptime Kuma, Homer Dashboard, Portainer, Minio Server, Bitwarden. You can see here this is again coming, but I will show you how to deploy with Docker Compose. Okay, NetData, Nexus, Argo CD, Jaeger. For Kubernetes, this is very advanced topic, and I will deep dive here, and I will cover basic to advanced. Okay, so here I will cover Kubernetes with KubeADM, K3s. There are a lot of flavor available, but I will more focus on these things: installation, configuration and upgrade. Once we go on Kubernetes, we cannot ignore Istio, so we need to add these things in advance. Helm also basic to advanced. Also I will cover here project with CI/CD. So project with CI/CD, it means I will cover production grade project with the Jenkins, with the Argo CD, with the Kubernetes and with the Git. So it will mainly production grade video will be here. Okay, infrastructure as code, I will cover Ansible, Terraform and Packer by Hershey Cop. I'm more focused on the cloud AWS, but working with the GCP and Azure well. So I am certified in AWS Solution Architect Associate. Basically, we will deploy mail server, very simple mail server with the Docker Compose. Okay, to get notification or integration purpose. So once we use DevOps, In that case, either we can use Gmail, either we can deploy internal mail server. So my purpose is to deploy a small mail server to check mail internally. For networking, there are multiple things in the networking, so I'm going to cover proxy and tunneling. For tunneling, uh, I use SSH tunneling: local, remote, dynamic. In dynamic, there are two type, SOC 4, SOC 5. Okay. Traffic is very good application to for Docker or containerization system in Kubernetes. So this is very useful for to deploy application and access it. HA proxy, I will cover it. Nginx proxy, IS proxy. Also, I'm going to cover Portar. This is very good open source Nginx and Nabucco's alternative designed for teams. It supports tunnel HTTP. You can see here TCP and WebSocket. And FRP server. This is very advanced proxy. I will cover this one also. And this will support multiple protocol: HTTP, TCP, WebSocket, and much more. Mesh Central is application to manage your servers from the remote. That is similar to proxy. And DuckDNS, you can expose your services from home onto the world. Okay. Cloudflare is similar. So I will cover these things. And in vulnerability testing, there is one ZAP, ZA proxy. I will cover these things. Also, there are a lot of things in DevOps. We cannot list all the things here. That's the reason I added something which I want to cover in this year. That's the reason all the services is not here. Okay. In DevOps world, we cannot count the application, the services related to DevOps. So every year there are new service launched in the DevOps industry. So I will cover based on the requirement, based on the newly launched tools and technologies. So I'm not covering here all the things, but for this year I added these things. Next year we can add another things. Certbot is the SSL manager, SSL certbot, and Vagrant I already explained. This is we are going to use for Kubernetes and other tools. Open project for project manager, maybe I will cover it. Vault Warden, again it's came to upside, and No and Cube.js, these are production grade application. And sometime you can see sometime we will take tools from here. You can see I worked on many tools and profiles. Okay, I can pick any tools from my profile, and I will make a video on it. Okay, I think that is enough for this upcoming video topic. Let me know what you guys think. If you have any question or suggestion, leave a comment. Thank you very much. Have a nice day ahead. See you in the next one.